as I just showed you in a previous demo, you have the power to colorize old vintage photos just by using the overlay blending mode. Once I have gone through that process, which I showed you in the previous tutorial, now I want you to colorize a photo and show me what you learned. This is my challenge for you. So the files that you have to choose from are right here. If I go to File and Open, and I will go to my Chapter 7 folder and 7.1, colorize a black and white photo yourself. Now keep in mind, I'm giving you two choices. You only have to do one of these. I'm going to open both of them just to show you what you have to choose from. And here's a picture of that little boy grown up. Now he's a football player. Okay, same crooked photo, same situation. The photos tend to turn a little more sepia. Everything I did in that tutorial where I showed you how I painted, I want you to repeat either for this photo, come up with any colors you want. I'm only looking for the figure, not the grass. Okay, it's just about the subject. Or you can work on this photo. This is like a great grandfather. I guess football runs in the older members of my family. I just love this old vintage photo. So again, pick whatever color you want. I don't know what school this was for, so I'm just looking for the colorization of the figure. I don't even care about the damage in the photo. Okay, there's little bits of scratches and things like that. I don't care. I just want a vintage looking photo with a proper colorization on it. So you have two different vintage football players to choose from. I want to see a before and after. Go back to the previous tutorial video where I set up a proper before and after. I showed you how to crop and straighten out a photo. I showed you how to desaturate the photo. I showed you have blending modes. Everything I did in the previous tutorial where I colorized the little boy, I want you to do the same thing for either this photo or this photo. I look forward to seeing your creativity because I know you're going to do great. I'm your teacher, right? You're going to do great. You learn from me. So, well, good luck.